always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
It's that haunting aroma.
If only you could smell the aroma. I guess you're wondering what I'm doing with 200 mils of freshly brewed coffee. Well, I'm just about to tell you. Today I'm going to show you how I make keto iced coffee and keto strawberry milkshakes. It's still summer here in Australia. It's very, very hot. So instead of having water or a ginger or lemon drink, I thought today I'd show you some milk-based drink. So I've brewed the coffee and now I'm going to put it in the fridge to get cold. I've got ice cubes in the fridge, so if you're interested to see me make some iced coffee and strawberry milkshake drinks, then please keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. For this iced coffee you're going to need heavy whipping cream, brewed coffee, ice cubes and some unsweetened almond milk. I'm going to pour in the coffee and the almond milk, a dollop of the cream. Now I'm going to just blitz this all together. And that is your first iced keto coffee. I've made the iced coffee. I haven't put any stevia in it, but you can put the stevia sweetener in there if you generally want your coffee to be sweetened. But for me, I drink my coffee without any sugar, so I'm going to have my iced coffee without any sweetener as well. The ice cubes really give it that cold, refreshing taste. It's real coffee, real brewed coffee with some almond milk and also some whipped cream or thickened cream, and it just does the trick on a day like today when it's really, really hot. So that's the first beverage. The second one I'm going to show you is a almond or a strawberry milkshake with unsweetened almond milk. Okay, for the strawberry milkshake we're going to need some ice cubes, some stevia, some coconut milk, and this particular brand has 0 sugar and it has less than 1 gram of carbs in the mix. So I'm just going to add some milk, and then of course I'm just going to add a few strawberries. I'm not even going to slice them, I'm just going to hold them. About a teaspoon of the stevia. Add some whipping cream. Then in the long glass you just pour the milkshake, and there you have the strawberry milkshake. I've put in a straw in it, and now I'm just going to do a taste test. Coconut milk with the strawberries, just about a quarter of a teaspoon of stevia and the ice blocks, and it's just a beautiful milk-based refreshing drink milkshake. Voila! Okay, for the last and final drink we're making a unsweetened coconut frappe using coconut milk, unsweetened cocoa, some ice cubes, organic stevia, and of course some heavy whipping cream. Just going to add the cocoa into the ice cubes, then add the milk, then add the teaspoon of stevia, dash of the whipping cream. Now you can use a stick blender, a blender or a food processor, anything that you have at home. Just pour it into a long glass. So there you have it, the unsweetened coconut cocoa frappe, just made with the ingredients of unsweetened coconut milk, some cream, stevia, cocoa powder and some ice, and it's a great milk-based drink. Low carb, no sugar. What more would you want? So on that note, everybody, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these low carb, sugar free coconut milk or almond milk based drinks. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now. I want to finish this and get on with the day. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.